Technicians lose screws because fast work, awkward spaces, and small parts combine to make tracking hardware easy to misplace. When removing fasteners, start by creating a dedicated staging area and keep all removed screws together by component, so reassembly is straightforward. Use a magnetic tray or a magnetic wrist pouch to hold metal screws and prevent them from rolling into ducts or behind panels. Count every removed screw out loud or write the count on a small piece of tape attached to the service tag so you know how many must be reinstalled. Keep a small parts kit in the truck with common thread sizes and a bit of foam or labeled compartments so replacements are identical and ready. When working in tight or vertical spaces, use a short bit holder and a socket with a magnetic insert so the screw stays on the tool until it is seated. Before closing the job, double check that you have installed all the screws you removed by comparing the count and doing a quick visual sweep around the work area. The three most common mistakes are rushing and not staging hardware, which leads to missing screws, relying on memory instead of counting, which causes incomplete reassembly, and not keeping replacement hardware, which forces improvisation with wrong parts. If you feel rushed, slow down and set a 1-minute rule to stage and count screws before moving to the next task. If you are tempted to trust memory, use a simple counting habit like saying the number out loud and noting it so the count is verifiable. If you do not have replacements on hand, carry a compact screw kit with the most common sizes and heads to avoid using incorrect fasteners that can strip threads or compromise grounding. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find steady work. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where technicians and homeowners exchange real-world tips on field organization and avoiding common mistakes.